The human brain is actively hostile to unresolved patterns. An incomplete to-do list creates a literal sense of mental weight, registering as a heavy, missing piece that demands your attention. This hardwired fixation on unfinished tasks is a documented psychological mechanism, the Zeigarnik Effect. It explains why a single unread email can ruin your focus for an entire afternoon, and why television writers use cliffhangers to guarantee you return for the next episode. This lingering cognitive friction is a strict biological response, functioning independently of your personal willpower or discipline. The phenomenon was first identified by psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik. While observing the floor of a busy cafe, she tracked how the waitstaff memorized information. The waiters could effortlessly recall highly complex food and drink orders for tables they were currently serving. But the exact second a table paid their bill, the order was completely erased from the waiter's memory. This diagram illustrates what psychologists call an open loop. When a task is started but left unfinished, the brain is forced into a state of high vigilance. To prevent you from forgetting the incomplete action, your mind continuously generates intrusive thoughts as a self-preservation tactic. Your own brain holds your attention hostage. It refuses to grant you mental peace until the task is complete and the loop is officially closed. Zeigarnik designed a formal experiment to test the exact limits of this mechanism. She gave participants a series of tasks to complete, but intentionally interrupted half of the group mid-process. When she tested the participants later, the interruption had produced a massive statistical disparity in their memories. This bar chart compares the memory recall of the two groups. The participants remembered the tasks that were interrupted roughly 90% better than the tasks they actually finished. The data reveals a clear cognitive rule. Incompletion is the strongest driver of human memory retention. When dealing with procrastination, the hardest hurdle is simply taking the initial step to create the cognitive loop. A reliable countermeasure is the 5-minute hack. You commit to working on a dreaded task for exactly 5 minutes, giving yourself absolute permission to walk away when the clock runs out. This minimal action tricks your brain into registering a new open loop. You no longer have to rely on forced discipline. The Zeigarnik Effect's natural hardwiring takes over, supplying the intrusive motivation you need to finish the job.